In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Twitter thread on Hootsuite with our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're managing a brand or just your personal profile, scheduling your tweets can save you both time and energy, allowing you to maintain a consistent online presence without being glued to your screen 24/7. So let's dive into the process. Firstly, you'll need to open Hootsuite. Head over to Hootsuite's website on your browser or simply open your Hootsuite app on your device. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll be ready to get started. Next, we are going to start a new post. On your dashboard, look for the New Post button or the small pencil icon, which is usually prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you into the compose mode. Now, from the list of connected social networks, select your Twitter account. This ensures that your thread will be sent to the right place once it's scheduled. Now it's time to compose your Twitter thread. Start by writing the first tweet in your thread in the compose box. Once that's done, look for the option to add another tweet, usually indicated by a plus icon. Click that to add more tweets to your thread, and repeat this process until you've put every tweet you want to be part of the thread. Hootsuite is great because it lets you preview the entire thread before moving on, ensuring everything looks perfect. If needed, this is your opportunity to add any media and hashtags. You can easily attach images, GIFs, or videos to any tweet in your thread. Additionally, consider adding hashtags, mentions, or links within your tweets to boost engagement and reach a larger audience. The next step is crucial: scheduling the thread. Look for the Schedule for Later option once you're happy with your tweets. Here, you can choose the exact date and time you would like your thread to be published. Once you've set the schedule, click on Schedule and then confirm your choice. Hootsuite will handle the rest and automatically post each tweet in the order you've designed at the scheduled time. Finally, it's important to monitor your thread after it goes live. Use Hootsuite's streams or analytics to keep track of engagement metrics like replies and retweets. It's a good idea to respond to comments and engage with your audience promptly, which you can do directly from Hootsuite's dashboard. There you have it. You're now equipped to effortlessly schedule and manage Twitter threads using Hootsuite. Keep your social media game strong and stay organized.